as we cut more, we start to cut into this upper gallery here, and our oil gallery starts to get shallower. And what you can do if you want, and I should have done this, but once this area here gets all done, what I should have done is taken some JB Weld and just smoothed it in here and then filled in this hole, because I didn't have an oil pump there anymore, just a oil plug. And as you can see, this threaded hole is ruined. This one is almost to it. You can see right down here, it's probably gone through right there, and this is very close on this one. So those three holes cannot be used like they were. And this is with, I guess I used 3 washers. I thought it was 2, it's been a while. Okay, I put the 3 washers in the bearing races, and this is your bearing race right inside here, and this cannot be touched at all. And this hole right here, there's one on each side. This goes through a small tunnel to the top. What happens is your fuel or petrol, which has 2-stroke oil in it, drips down in here and gets on the bearing as it runs. Same thing here. It drips into this oil hole and works on this oil plug. Now remember that I left this plug in here because it's no big deal. But after I get all this done, I have to take the plug out and make sure that there is no little bits of metal anywhere in the crank at all. And here's where I've started to get the sides right here, up in here, with the tool. And I would do a little bit of work on that, and then I would stop and clean it up and take a look at it. I did everything with patience. Always patience. I didn't know if it would work, or what to expect, because you're really taking these little engine cases to their engineering limits with the amount of work that's done. Now here's the case where it's been cleaned up. We have, you can see the threaded area here. There's more that's taken off down here. This isn't done at all. This part is the hardest to take out, right here. The oil shaft is left in there, the plug, and this has already been taken out up here and up here for the, no, I guess it hasn't been taken out, I'm sorry. For 107 cc's to work for that. Here's the rear of the engine case, and this is the rear boost port on that. And these pictures, I was going to keep them all real. I was going to keep them secret, but I'm not. So I'm just going to show the world. And if you like my little videos, I'm not going to rent them. I'm not going to charge a dime for them. But if you do happen to like the videos, if you could just look at a few more of them and see if they can help you, or recommend this site to your friends, I'd appreciate it. You can see up here, as I'm starting to get closer, this oil gallery is starting to disappear as I am grinding that deck down. Right there. And then we're getting closer. We can see there's a hole right there in this one. This one's already taken out, and this one is getting closer over here. You only have to take them out 1.5 millimeters on the diameter, but it's a lot of effort Now on this one, you can see what I've done here is I've already gone through the case here and here and here. And what I've done is taken my Dremel and I've just taken these sharp edges and I've got rid of them because I don't need them. They're not going to help to be there. As long as this area right in here on the edge can hold the case integrity, can hold the air pump, which is the engine, together, then the motor will run right. And the motor has run very, very good on this.